So this is our newest parts washer we got. I got off one of the Facebook groups. We have the same setup where I work, but we use the proper fluid at our work, which is Aussie juice. Has microbes that eat oil. It's great stuff when the heater works. Heater works in this one, which is great. It was $60. We're not running the Aussie juice because that stuff's $200 a friggin' container. Right now what we're running is probably 20 liters of water mixed with 5.5 liters of cheapest detergent, and then 1 box of Borax. And here, I'll show you the results. Yeah, this is part that's been in the Triton V10 there, about 200,000 kilometers. This has got your oil stainage on it. There will be more pressure than what this is coming out with because of the down below I just got a barb pushed into it to mate it to our whatever half-inch hose I could find in Brendan's bin of hoses. And yeah, so after a quick cleanup, get it better if you tried harder. Had another video cleaning this oil pump, and yeah, no, it turned out great. I cleaned my rear main seal, and where the plate where the rear main seal goes into, because on the Fords it's a 6-piece flange that you can take off for rear bearing or rear main seal stability. And apparently the other ones are. This thing's pretty cool. It's nice and warm. It's great on the hands, and no stings, and no disgusting smell. So yeah, smell you guys later. Oh man, it's getting up super hot now.
I was gonna say I could see steam going off of it.
Yeah, that was the oil pump after like a few swipes.
Wow,
it's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, this stuff's not coming off completely, but a lot. Huh? Never mind. It's, yeah, coming off completely.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with this purchase, even though I haven't paid you for it. So it's great. Here's my birthday gift!
Exactly, it can be if you want it to be.
Sure.
Sure.
Fucking A.
And then happy birthday.
That's probably the birthday I'm gonna get! You all seen it on the video. Happy birthday. I'll have to edit that in.
Yeah, you will.
Happy birthday!
Well, then, happy birthday.